Hi students, let us do an example. Triple integrals in cylindrical coordinates. So the example is this. Using cylindrical coordinates, find the volume of the region D bounded below by the plane z equal to 0. So what is z equal to 0? It is the xy plane or r theta plane. Okay. Laterally by the circular cylinder, x square plus y minus 1 the whole square is equal to 1. So this circular cylinder, that is given in Cartesian coordinates, but you have to find out the volume using cylindrical coordinates. So you have to convert this equation into an equivalent equation in cylindrical coordinates, and above by the parabola z equal to x square plus y square. This is also in Cartesian coordinates. You have to convert this into cylindrical coordinates. Okay. So plane z is equal to 0. That can be considered as an equation in the Cartesian coordinates or equivalently in the cylindrical coordinates, because in the Cartesian coordinates there is a z, in the cylindrical coordinates also there is a z, and both are the same. So the Cartesian equation z equal to 0 converts to the cylindrical equation z is equal to 0 in cylindrical coordinates. You don't have to do this equation in any other change. Now look at this. So x square plus y minus 1 the whole square is equal to 1. So x square plus y minus 1 the whole square is equal to 1, but x equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta in cylindrical coordinates. So r square cos square theta, that is my x square, plus y is r sin theta minus 1 the whole square, that is equal to 1. So it is r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta minus 2r sin theta plus 1 equal to 1. So r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 minus 2r sin theta equal to 0, or equivalently r equal to 2 sin theta. You can assume r not equal to 0 and cancel. And if r is equal to 0, left side is equal to 0 of this equation, right side is equal to 0, and when r equal to 0, for this equation left side is equal to 0 and right side also must be equal to 0. So this equation is equivalent to this equation if r equal to 0 or r not equal to 0. Okay. Now look at this equation, z is equal to x square plus y square. Second equation, this one, z is equal to x square plus y square. So let us convert that into an equation in cylindrical coordinates. But x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. So x square plus y square is r square. So the corresponding equation is z is equal to r square. So these are the equations you have to consider. One equation is this, another equation is z equal to r square, Now let us see how the region D will look like. So what is this? X square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to 1. Z is not present here. So this is a cylinder whose axis is parallel to the Z axis. And where is the center of that cylinder? It is at it is in the y axis with the coordinates 0, 1. So when Z is equal to 0, you have a circle with the center 0, 1, 0. And when Z is equal to 1, you have a circle with the center 0, 1, 1. When Z equal to minus 1, you have a circle with center 0, 1, minus 1 and so on. So all these circles kept one over the other will form the cylinder. So you can imagine how that cylinder will look like now. Yes, you have a cylinder like this with the center at the point 0, 1 and the Z is anything. Okay, that means the axis of the cylinder is Z axis. So the region is bounded below by the plane Z is equal to 0, above by the paraboloid Z is equal to x square plus y square. And you know how the paraboloid Z equal to x square plus y square will look like. And laterally in the sides, laterally means in the sides, by the circular cylinder, this thing. So this is that cylinder. Region is bounded laterally by the cylinders below by the plane Z equal to 0, that means r theta plane, and above by the paraboloid Z is equal to x square plus y square. Okay, now you have to find out the volume of this region D. So volume is equal to by definition triple integral dV. So volume of D equal to, you take integrand is equal to 1, so it is triple integral over D dV, but dV is dz into r dr d theta. So it is integral, it write integrals, dV is dz r dr d theta. Now what are the set limits of integration? Set limits of integration are, in the lower side it is bounded by Z equal to 0, and in the upper side it is bounded by Z equal to x square plus y square, or equivalently Z equal to r square. So the set limits of integration are Z varies from 0 to r square. Now what are the r limits of integration? R varies from where to where? So draw a line passing through the origin and through the point r comma theta, where it enters the region, that is the lower limit of integration with respect to r, and where it leaves the region, that is the upper limit of integration with respect to r. So it enters the region when r is equal to 0. It enters the region when r is equal to 0. So region means the shadow region. This is the shadow region, and it leaves the region. So what is the okay? This is the shadow region. This circle. What is the equation of this circle? It is precisely x square plus y minus 1 the whole square is equal to 1 and z equal to 0. That is the shadow region, and the corresponding not polar the cylindrical equation is r equal to 2 sin theta. So it leaves the region, shadow region, the line L leaves the shadow region when r is equal to 2 sin theta. So in the upper limit you have 2 sin theta and now theta limits. Theta varies from where to where. So this circle is completely described when theta varies from 0 to pi, right? Because when theta equal to 0, r equal to 0, you are at this point origin, and when theta equal to pi by 2, sin theta is equal to 1, r equal to 2, you are at this point, and when theta is equal to pi, sin theta is equal to 0, and you are again back like this at the origin. So theta varies from 0 to pi. So these are the theta limits of integration. So theta varies from 0 to pi. So let us evaluate this. So this is equal to integration with respect to z, dz. So you have z between the limits 0 to r square, integration with respect to r dr, then integration with respect to theta d theta. So what you will get? Equal to integral over theta, integral over r, z evaluated between the limits 0 to r square is r square, right? R square into r, it is r cube dr, then d theta. So this is equal to integral with respect to theta, integration of r cube is r to the power 4 by 4 between the limits r equal to 0 to 2 sin theta. It is here, r limits are 0 to 2 sin theta d theta, this is equal to integral over theta. Theta varies from where to where? 0 to pi. Now substitute r limits. So 2 to the power 4, 16 sin to the power 4 theta, 16 sin to the power 4 theta divided by 4 d theta. So 16 by 4 is 4 here. Now you integrate this. I don't know what is the answer. Sin to the power 4 theta, you integrate. So this will be the volume of D. Thank you.